next we are discussing properties of definite integration. So here first property is what? Integration a to b fx dx. So here if I interchange the limit, if I write this one limit, okay, upper limit we are writing first and lower limit we are writing here above. So what will come? Integration b to a fx dx. Okay, so if I interchange the limit, then what will come here? Here minus sign will. Okay, this property already we discussed, so I'm writing here directly. Second property, property number 2, integration of a to b fx dx. Okay, so here instead of x, if I put any other variable which have same relation with x, like t. Okay, so here x power is what? 1, so t power is also 1. Coefficient of x is what? 1, so coefficient of t also 1. This is what? Single term, and this is also single term. So if I put instead of x, if I put t, so what is dx? dt will come. Okay, so here this is equal to what will come? Integration. Okay, so here x limit is what? A. So if I put x limit here a, so what will come? T equal to a. So lower limit of t will come what? A. Similarly upper limit if you put here b, t value what will come? B, and this will come what? F of t dt. Similarly if I put x equal to p, so this is equal to, we can write what? Integration of a to b f of p dp. The only thing what we have to take care, here x power 1 and t power also 1 and p power also 1. This is single term, this is also single term, this is also single term. Here coefficient of x is what? 1, here also t coefficient is what? 1, and here also p coefficient is what? 1. Correct? Suppose if I have integration of a to b f of 2x dx, if I have this, then here if I put 2x equal to 2t, correct? So you can see coefficient of x is what? 2, here also coefficient of t is what? 2. This is also single term, this is also single term. X power is what? 1, t power also 1. So here also what we can write? Integration of a to b f of 2t dt. Directly we can write. There is no change will come, but similar relation should be there. Okay, how to find out this one? See, dx equal to what will come? Dt. So instead of dx we can write dt, 2x we can write 2t. Okay, and if I put lower limit, so if I put here a, so t equal to what will come? A only will come, and if I put b here, so t equal to what will come? B will come. So same relation will come. Okay, next property is what? Property number 3. So property number 3 is what? Integration a to b fx dx, we can write as what? Integration a to c fx dx plus integration c to d fx dx plus integration d to b fx dx. So like that we can separate integration. Okay, when we have to apply this property, so there are 3 possibilities will be there. First possibility, fx definition change between the limit. Okay, so first possibility is what? Fx definition will change between the limit a to b. We'll discuss example. Second thing is what? Fx is discontinuous between the limit. And third possibility is what? Fx is undefined. Fx is undefined. In these 3 cases we will do this property. Okay, if you don't, if these 3 cases not there, and if you are using this property, then also there is no problem. Okay, for example, suppose if I take diagram, so this is there. Okay, so this point is what? A, this point is what? B, this point is C, and this point is D. Okay, so A to C area is what? A1, B, C to B area is what? A2, and B to D area is what? A3. Okay, so integration A to B fx dx. Okay, so LHS. So integration a to b fx dx. So LHS is what? Integration a to b. That means this area plus this area. What will come? A1 plus A2. Okay. So right hand side should also come A1 plus A2. So RHS. Okay. So RHS we have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms. So first term is what? Integration a to c fx dx. A to c. So what is the area? A1 plus integration c to d fx dx. So integration c to d. So c to d what will become? A2 plus A3. So this will become A2 plus A3 plus last is what? Integration d to b fx dx. Okay, integration d to b. Okay, so here we are going in from right to left. Okay, and this area is what? Positive, and we are coming right to left, so this will come out minus of A3. So here what will come? Minus of A3. Okay, so if you simplify this one, what will come? A1 plus A2. So you can see LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so if you use this property, this is correct only, but mainly if these 3 things are there, then we will use property. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, fx is discontinuous. Okay, so first thing I will discuss only, if I have 0 to pi, okay, tan x dx. So we know that tan x is discontinuous at pi by 2. So to integrate this one, what you will do? 0 to pi by 2 tan x dx plus pi by 2 to pi tan x dx. So like that we can separate. Okay, next we are taking example. Example is what? Integration 3 to 7 modulus of x minus 4 into dx. Okay, so here you can see modulus. Okay, so modulus will depend on what? Inside value. Okay, so here modulus of x minus 4, it is like that. If x is greater than 4, then inside quantity is positive, so this one we can write x minus 4. But x is less than 4, then inside quantity is negative, so to make it positive, inside quantity we have to multiply with minus. So this one we have to write minus of x minus 4. So modulus x we can define like that. Okay, so here you can see at 4 definition is changing. Okay, if it is greater than 4, this one will come, and if it is less than 4, this will come. Okay, and you can see here x limit is what? From where to where? X equal to 3 to x equal to 7. Okay, so here x equal to 3 to 7, 4 will come, yes or no? So at 4 definition will change. Okay, so this integration we have to separate at 4. Okay, so 3 to 4, okay, plus 4 to 7. Why we are separating at 4 only? Because at 4 definition is changing. Okay, so you can see 3 to 4. So limit is 3 to 4. That means x is what? From where to where? X equal to 3 to x equal to 4. Okay, so in this interval we can say that x is less than 4. Okay, less than 4. Then what is coming here? Minus of x minus 4 is coming. So this one we can write minus of x minus 4 dx. Okay, and 4 to 7 in this interval will come. So modulus of x minus 4 we can write x minus 4 dx. Okay, this function is continuous, correct? But here we are not including 4. So 4 you can include anywhere. So if you include 4 here, so here will come, correct? We can include here. So this will come plus 4 to 7 x minus 4 dx. Now this is simple integration. So minus is outside. This one x integration will become x square by 2 minus 4 integration of 4x. Limit is what? 3 to 4 plus this one what will become x square by 2 minus 4x. Limit is what? 4 to 7. This will come. So what will come here? Minus. If I put here 4, so what will come? 16 divided by 2 minus 16. Now if I put here minus 3 will put. So what will come? 9 by 2 minus 12. This will come. Plus. Now here if I put 7, so what will come? 49 divided by 2 minus 28 minus. If I put here 4, so what will come? 16 divided by 2 minus 16. This will come. Okay, so here what will come? This will be 8. So minus, in bracket, 8 minus 16 is what? Minus 8 minus 9 by 2 plus 12. Okay, plus here what will come? 49 by 2 minus 28 minus, this will come what? 8 minus 16 what? Minus 8. So this is plus 8 will come. Okay, so this will come what? Minus or minus. So 8 plus 9 by 2 minus 12 plus 49 by 2 minus 28 plus 8. So this we have to simplify this one. That is your answer. Next we are discussing integration 0 to 12 greatest integer of root x dx. Okay, so this denotes greatest integer function. Okay, so we know that greatest integer, it will change its definition if inside the quantity is integer. Okay, so first thing, 0 to 12, we have to check the definition of greatest integer of root x. Okay, so greatest integer of root x, we have to check between limit 0 to 12. Okay, so x belongs to where? Close interval 0 to 12 we have to check. Okay, so how it will be defined? Okay, so at 0 it will be integer. Okay, then if I put here 1, it will become integer. So if I say x belongs to 0 to 1, okay, x belongs to 0 to 1. Okay, 1 we can take here open, 1 we are taking open. So if x is 0 to 1, so this greatest integer will lie from where to where? 0 to 1, and greatest integer of 0 to 1 is what? 0. So if x lie from 0 to 1, then inside quantity lie between 0 to 1. So greatest integer of 0 to 1 is what? 0. Now at 1 it will become integer. So x belongs to 1. Okay, when this will become 2? When x is 4. If x is 4, then root 4 is what? 2. Okay, so next integer is what? 2. Okay, next integer is what? 2, and next integer inside quantity will become 2 when x is what? 4. So here we are taking 1 to 4. 4 we are taking open. 4 we are taking form open. So if x is what? 1 to 4, then inside quantity lie from where to where? 1 to 2. If inside quantity is what? 1 to 2, then box is what? 1. Okay, so at x equal to 4 it will become what? 2. Then when it will become 3? When x is 9. So next interval will come what? X belongs to close interval 4 to open interval 9, because at 9 it will become next integer, that is 3. So when x belongs to 4 to 9, then this will lie from where to where? It will lie from 2 to 9 is, this is 3 is open. Okay, so greatest integer of this one, if x inside quantity lie between 2 to 3, then box is what? 2. So this will come what? 2. Okay, so at 9 it will become 3. The next integer is what? 4. So it will become 4 when x is what? 16. But we are going till 12. Okay, so if I put here 12, then value will come what? 3 point something will come. 3 point something will come. So we can say that x belongs to 9 to 12. Okay, 12 we can take close, because if I put 2 here, root 12 will come, 3 point something will come. Okay, so if x belongs to 9 to 12, then this value lie between where to where? This value lie between 3 to less than 4 will come. Okay, open bracket 4 we can take, so less than 4. So greatest integer of 3 to 4 what will come? 3. So this will come what? 3. Okay, so this integration we have to define like that, integration of 0 to 1. Okay, so 0 to 1 what will come value? 0 into dx plus integration 1 to 4, then 1 to 4, this value what will come? 1. So 1 into dx plus integration 4 to 9, then what will come here? 2, this value is what? 2 into dx plus 9 to 12, then box will come, this will come what? 3 into dx. Okay, so this is what? 0 only. This one what will come? X limit from where to where? 1 to 4 plus 2 is outside, integration of dx will come what? X. So 2 is outside, limit is what? 4 to 9 plus here 3 is outside, integration of 1 is what? X. So here limit what will come out? 9 to 12. So what will come here? 4 minus 1 plus 2 into 9 minus 4 plus 3 into 12 minus 9. This will come. So what will come here? 3, 2, 9 minus 4 is what? 5. 5 into 2 is what? 10 plus 3. Okay. 12 minus 9 is what? 3. So 3 into 3 is what? 9. So this will be 9. So what will come here? 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 10 is what? 22. So answer is 22.